I'm just grabbing some video here, and I'm just going to go along the water nice and slow. And then, oh my God, I can see. Well, that's what happens when you're not paying attention. All right.
Good luck.
Yeah, well, let's hope I can walk through the ice because it's going to be kind of chunky. Yeah, that's cold. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, the sun's out for a bit and everything's melting. So I have the Swellpro SplashDrone 4 right here, and I'm going to take it for a flight and land it in some of this melting water. So here we go. So since I'm going to be landing in water around here, I have to take the antennas on the side of the drone and put them up so I get reception. Because if you land in water and your antennas are underwater, you're not getting much reception, so you'll have a problem. You'll have to go out and walk and get it. If you leave them up like this and fly it normally, you don't get much range. The body blocks the range, so I have to keep it close to me. There we go. The sun is going out, in and out. It's kind of cloudy, kind of sunny. So I'm going to take this up, put the record on, fly behind me here, land on this ice. It's thin ice, but also there's patches where I can go in the water, I think. All right, stand back here, pull the joysticks down and in. It starts up. I do have the switch on GPS mode. You can turn the GPS off, but I've left it on. So there's no sensors on the bottom, so it does not see the ground. The way it keeps itself still in the air like that is just GPS and barometer. That's it. I'll keep it low to the ground. And let's go. Going over the water. All right, so let me bring the camera down a bit so you can see more of the ice. This is the ice, and well, I was hoping it would be like more water. Oh, I think I see some water over there. Let me just go this way here. Because you watch, if I land on this ice here, I'll come down and land on it. There we go. There we go. I'm out on the ice, the thin ice, and I can rotate the camera here to look in directions while I'm sitting there. There's a leg, and I can rotate it to look in the other direction. The only reason I didn't want to land on the ice too much is because there's little bits of water and it will spray up when I go to take off. So here we go. Let's bring that camera to the front as best I can. There we go. Oh, I see some water over there. Melted water. All right, let's go down in this. Here we go, going down in the melted water. What's this gonna look like? Oh, there we go. So let's bring the camera up. Let's move the camera again from side to side, look around. Not gonna see any fishies here. This is beach sand. This is all the beach sand. All right, let's power it on up and take it out of there. There we go. Now, if you move the camera down, the water should drip off. So let me just take it up and move the camera down. Get the water drip off. There we go. You can see it dripping, everything dripping off. And then if I bring the camera back up, I believe it does clean itself a bit. Now, I do see some Canada geese straight ahead. Yeah, I think this will scare the heck out of them if I come close to them. So yeah, I'm not going to go any closer than that. So let's bring her down again. Nice and slow along the ice. I thought these birdies would go nutso, but they're over there still. Look at that, right there. There we are again, nothing exciting here. Go down, beach sand. There we are. Yep, there's the ground. And take back up. And then let's come back. Oh, there's somebody there wondering, hey, look at that. You see in front, there's a person walking wondering, what is this guy doing? Right there. All right, let's go back up. All these photographers out today. If I could land this really close to those seagulls over there, they would walk around and peck it, I bet. Let me just go. Let me see if I can get close and land it. I doubt it. Oh no, I wouldn't do that. No, that's not a good idea because the props keep turning and I'll just make, you know, turkey dinner or something out of them. So I don't want to do that. Let's bring it back to me over this way. Okay, let's go land this. Go land it and we'll take it to another spot. A lot of wind. Put her over the landing pad as best I can. There we go. So hopefully one of these cameras has me in frame. We're at another area of the beach and we're gonna go fly out there, look for some water around the ice. All right, here we go. Arm the motors and straight up. Then low to the ground, forward. I'm gonna bring the camera down a little bit and forward. There we go. We can see the ice melted right here by the shore. And let's go check it out. Let's go over to the larger area right here. It's kind of like dirty water. So let's stop around there. Let's turn. And let's drop down. What's below us? Let's take a look down. There we are. Well, that's not ice. All right, let's take it back up. How you doing?
What is that?
What's that?
What kind of drone is that?
It is called the SplashDrone 4. Do you think it's the coolest thing you've ever seen?
But that was pretty cool. When I saw you landed in the water over there, I went, okay, that's different.
Yeah. Well, that's all I'm doing. I'm out here filming for a YouTube video, and I'm just going to show some ice melting and everything happening here. And you're going to be in the picture in a second. Let's just bring it around because everybody's going to wonder, who am I speaking with? There we are. So fine, sir. What's your name?
Derek.
Derek. Hey, Derek. Derek is admiring this SplashDrone 4. I only use it when it's raining out or snowing out or the ice or the water's melting, because you use other drones. You know, if you're going to do cinema stuff, use a cinema drone.
Yeah.
But this is fun for the stuff like I'm doing here. I'm just grabbing some video here and I'm just going to go along the water nice and close, slow. And then, oh my God, I can see. Well, that's what happens when you're not paying attention. Oh, you know what's worse now is I have to walk out there and get it. You would have to have a long pole, would you?
All I have is a
tripod?
A monopod.
Oh, monopod. Well, that might help a bit. Here, Derek, can I get you to do me a favor then? So there's a GoPro.
Okay.
The ice might be thick enough. If I walk out a bit, I'll see. I highly doubt it though. What do you think? Do you think the ice is thick enough?
Nope.
Well, that was pretty definitive.
You're probably right at where it gets thick there.
I usually have this policy that I don't talk to anybody when I film, because this happens all the time. Your pole's going to come in handy because your pole will maybe save me from walking the full distance.
Jesus.
Oh, it's going to be cold, Derek.
Okay.
Actually, I could. Hang on a sec. I could take off my... let's do this. I have long johns underneath. That'd be better. That'd be better even though I'm gonna put these down here.
I didn't know it was this kind of video you're shooting.
Yeah, just play that music in the back. All right. This is, that is not gonna help at all.
It just looks cold just getting ready.
All right.
Good luck.
Yeah, well, let's hope I can walk through the ice because it's gonna be kind of chunky. Oh, and I sink. It's frozen on the bottom, Derek. Oh, I don't know if I can get that. I don't know. At least I got your little pole to, and it's ice on the bottom for slipperiness. Yeah, that's cold. That's gonna leave a mark. There's a dead fish. No, it's a whale. All right. Things I do for YouTube. All right. All right. I got you, buddy. You know what? Derek, your pole was useless, but my toes are frozen now. I got to get out of here. Still got, oh, I'm missing a prop too. Let's see if I can get that one. Did it shatter or is it in the ice? I don't see where it went. I'm not searching for that anymore. It's getting too cold for that. Oh, there it is. Now your pole's coming in handy. Okay. I will say my toes are losing feeling. At least I kept my jeans warm. Am I even walking in the same path I went out? Whoa, it's ice below. Oh, holy crap, that's cold.
You got it.
Yeah, oh, my toes are just frozen. All right, so no damage other than my pride and my frozen toes. Everything looks good. Lesson, kids, don't talk to people when you're flying a drone low to the ground. Bad idea. Can this camera see that? Look at my legs. They are all bloody, just coming everywhere. That's the ice just chopped them up, and my feet too. Holy cow. So that was an unexpected turn of events for a Captain Drone video crashing out on an ice floe. Oh well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't have much to say other than, kids, stay in school. Do not become a YouTube reviewer or this may happen to you. All right, guys, I'm gonna put links to this drone below. It still works. I'm amazed. I took it out. I didn't even restart it. Still works. Everything's good on it. And yeah, I think it's quite solid for what it does. Anyways, links are below to this product, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And I'll catch you in future videos with less traumatic stupidity. All right, catch you in the next one. Bye.